Tropic bird is beautiful pairwise threes from the inside out. So if you wanted to, so here's a flawless, this is crazy how perfect this is. I mean, it's just like the design of the letters Jehovah, where, oh my gosh, where pairwise threes from the inside out. So given that this is flawless in its design to match Jehovah, and Jehovah is triple I am, it's very easy. In fact, I can see it right now, how you can pull the triple I am out of these letters tropic bird. Okay, because remember, Jehovah is the exact same design, pairwise threes from the inside out. Okay, just like I painted above here. And Jehovah equals triple I am. Okay, and so we can easily get the three I ams out of tropic bird. I can see them now. Okay, the T parallels I am. If you want, the C could join it to make I am perfectly. The B must be on its own team. That needs another 21. You can pick that up from, well, you could have used the C and the R, but I don't know if you can do it without the use of the C. In fact, I don't see that. Because you can't get a 21. Okay, but we know the PD, so PD equals, well, let's be simple here. Let's hit three 20s, which parallels I am. T equals 20, BR equals 20, PD equals 20. If you want to be very simple about it, here are your three teams in tropic bird that parallel I am. Notice they all just contain a single 2, T20, PD20, B2. And then you can, all the rest of the letters divide by 3, so they can flock to which of these three teams you want to balance this whole thing out. To try and balance the teams as much as possible, or to create symmetry in this whole package. Whatever your pick. PD, you could add the C to that team, hit 23. The B, like I said, add the R, maybe an RI. It's like go for even teams. Like if you want to split this up into relatively even teams, would be. Anyways, that's how it works. Okay, I don't need to go the full 9 yards. Kingbird, that's an easy one. Because 18. Oh my goodness, Kingbird equals great I am. I love it. Kingbird equals great I am. And let's see how many ways you can split that. 3 ways. There's the symmetrical way. There's the obvious was the IN at the center of king, but now you can bind the two words together. I like symmetry, so why not pick this NI right there? And amazingly, so there's your I am. Now look at the word great. I mean, you're practically spelling it letter for letter. There's the G, there's the R, and EA equals a BD. And then the T obviously equals the KI. So there's the word great, I am, in Kingbird. I mean, king is a huge word, bird is a huge word. So pay attention to huge words that get married, and that's a glaring one. Kingbird, what does it look like? Kingbird. Lots of them. Lots of them. Great I am. That's hilarious. I don't know if these are kingbirds or not. Alright. What else we got in this? Where was I? Oh, yeah. An ant bird. Setophaga. That's a new one. Yeah, it contains I am, parallels I am. In fact, Setophaga is quadruple I am equals I am Jehovah. So I'm just checking this out. There's your OH, there's your PG. Huh, crazy. That's a new one. Flamingo we done, Gnatcatcher. Gnatcatcher is screaming it out because you get the TC, TC side by side in perfect symmetry, a Gnatcatcher. And then you have ER on the end, 21. That's disturbing. GNAA 23, TC 23, TC 23, ER 23. Oh my gosh, then you have a tropical kingbird. Oh joy. Alright. I'm almost there, folks. Most colorful birds. Peacock, rainbow, lorikeet. Lorikeet goes to I am. I am plus 72. And rainbow is a double I am, so rainbow lorikeet is a triple I am. Golden pheasant. I'm just curious to see if there's anything at the dead center of this sucker. Let the computer do the work on this 23 fest. The DEN and the DS. What? I'm being spammed with ads. Tanager. Kutinga. Oh my gosh, that is the most perfect triple I am ever. CT23, IN23, the word ago 23. The spangled cotinga. It's a target for hunters in the Amazon rainforest. Wow, look at the mandarin duck. Because we know mandarin, of course, equals great I am. And then duck just keeps the party going in threes, so that's an obvious one. In fact, mandarin is great I am in order. Mandar, great. I am, mandarin, great I am, duck divides by 3. There, mandarin, duck. Mandarin, great I am. That's awesome. That is a huge gem. Mandarin equals great I am equals Gematria. I mean, this is crazy. Crazy awesome is what it is. Guess it didn't grab the picture, but that's okay. This was insane though. Triple I am in Cotinga. So I just want to look at the letters Amazon rainforest. We know that I am is at the center of rainforest, but I want to see what happens when you get the full letters here. Where's your 23s now? Okay, yeah, the standard there. What happens if I had Amazon in front? I'm wanting to see if there's symmetrical ones or just anything that's two. Okay. Toucan we did. Pigeon we did. Pigeon was a triple I am. How about blue crowned? So W is I am. And, ooh, he's crowned. So this is the I am, and then the word end equals I am. Hats off. And then we know BU is I am. And then we know an ER is an I am. So blue crowned pigeon is loaded with gold. So this guy is screaming out I am a lot, okay? So I am, we did pigeon already, triple I am. And then this B goes with a U to make I am. This E goes with this R to make I am. And then the rest of the letters divide by 3, LCO. Cool. Ooh, the Finch. Okay, Finch is, there's your I am. Plus another parallelism, but let's, so interesting, I divide by 3. There parallels I am. Yeah, so altogether this will be an I am triple in Gouldian. GLD I am, IN I am, and then yeah, that mixed together. Kingfisher we've done. Kingfisher was a okay, it was easy. The Bee Eater. Oh my gosh. Tanager. Yeah, I see that one. Okay. The Bee Eater. Right. Okay. Lots to discuss. A roller. That's the easiest one of all. Cock of the Rock. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Crimson Rosella. That's stunning. So apparently this is the most famous member of the parrot family. Oh my gosh, squawk goes to I am, just like the word oink. There's your W. This is 33, so this equals the I am, and then here's your bonus. So squawk is an easy one. But this is shocking what I see in Crimson Rosella. I see I am, and then everything else is stunning threes. 21 on top of 48 equals Jehovah. And then all this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Like, this is the most simple, glaring I am there is. It's I am plus 150. Crimson Rosella. Images. Whoa, that's nice. That is a nice bird. That is seriously joyful. That is insane. The Crimson Rosella. I am. Yeah, there's your I am. Here's a triple I am again, this guy right there. 20. Yeah, you can split this. This is a tidy package into 3 letters. I am, I am, I am. The Gallinule. The Wren. I am, I am. That's a triple I am as well, in the word Wren. And make another I am. The Lovebird. Okay, this is too fun because these are two of the biggest words on planet Earth. Love and bird coming together. So I see a triple I am. It equals truth, okay, which we can split into the 3 I ams, the TRH. So let's split Lovebird into 3 teams that parallel I am. There's only one way to do it. Okay, the E must be on one team, the B must be on another team, and then the VD must be on their own team. VD equals God, IM plus 3. This is really neat because the ER can make IM verbatim, just in set, and then a B ideally needs 21, which we do have in fact the LI, so very elegant here. Okay, so there's your triple IM in Lovebird, just like that. Okay, and then your O is your bonus 15. That's pretty awesome. So you had ER equals IM, VD is IM plus 3, LBI is IM, the O can join whatever teams it wants. And then of course if you talk about Lovebirds, this S and this D make another 23 right there. That's really neat. I say I love birds, you know, it's pretty awesome. Okay. Woody nymph, Jiminies, these are getting complicated. Oh, cardinal. Let's go back to something easy after all that. Cardinal parallels IM all by itself. There's IM right there, right next to another IM right there. IM plus 39. Jiminies. Crazy. VIP, you gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. Oh boy. Gee. Oh yeah, snake goes to IM. Katie did. Shoo, my goodness. Well, see, this is another great one because Katie did equals Gematria equals great IM. Pink has IM at the center, but let's try and split Katie did into great IM. Katie did. Well, it's pretty simple. We'll just run it through the computer and do it for us. No, you cannot get the perfect split. Crazy. We'll choose as the offset though. Could you get the this one makes sense. Oh, one thing you can do in Katie did, because Katie did equals Jesus, and we know that Jesus equals God's Son, Katie did, of course, equals God's Son. And then what's really neat is it's a pair of letters in both. The quote-unquote vowels that equal God, and the rest equals Son. Tarantula. Okay, so this is going to be a triple IM guy. Oh yeah, the T plus the 3 A's is 23. And then the T all by itself, and the N all by itself. And tarantula. Oh yeah, spider. Okay, so spider ends in IM, and this equals 48. Or you could choose the SD as well. If you say spiders, now you have a flawless triple iamb. What does the word sip add to? 44. Huh. Gee, my knees. Pink robin. That's so cool. Ay, ay, ay. Oh man, I gotta solve the lobster. Well, lobster equals the father, but let's see what iambs. Of course, it ends in iamb. Gee, my knees. Oh, bullfrog. Let's get bullfrog on the table. So according to these, bullfrog. Okay, the obvious is it starts with iamb right there. And then all this will knit together. Oh, both, there it is right there. Frog is double iamb. So I knew it was gonna, yeah, it parallels a triple iamb. So frog, let's take a look at this. If frog equals double iamb, what's the best way to split those letters to see that? Well, why not do it right in half? Because FR, oh my gosh, FR is iamb plus 1, and OG is FR minus 1. This is similar to what God ordained in the word body, where you had minus 6, or plus, minus 6 plus 6. So frog is quite clearly a double iamb. The FR is 1 point higher than 23. Well, there you go. Amazing. That's incredible. In bullfrog. Okay, so this is a painting worth sort of zooming in on. See how much time it takes to do this research? There. To my satisfaction, we've solved the word frog for the glory of the great I am. It's a double I am in a lovely balance like that. And bullfrog, the BU equals I am. This equals the FR, which is fascinating. So when you say bullfrog, then you get your triple I am, because the BU equals I am. So I think that's some good confirmation. Bullfrog. If you can believe it, the word Indian is a triple I am. IN, I am, IN, I am, and then the DA parallels I am. Yep, yep, yep. Cordon bleu. Unbelievable. Cordon equals Jehovah. Ooh. Okay, butterfly is a triple I am. How do I see this? Well, the ER, verbatim, the BU, verbatim, and then a TF is God, and then the rest all divided by 3. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, butterfly is Holy Ghost. And I think it's like in order too, something crazy. Anyways, and we split that in Holy Ghost. A moth. Moth equals the I am. And that is like the fastest package to make the I am ever. Moth. There's your the. And the rest equals I am. In moth. That's pretty glaring. Chimneys. Just when you thought things were crazy enough. Alright, so we solved a fair number of animals here. I'm going to take a break.